Hi. Hello. 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 Hi. 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 So today we're going to be doing my third like as in the third video in the series of I do not know how to put makeup. You know, I think it's time for me to learn how to do my eyebrows, but I do not have the essential tools to do my eyebrows. So, not today. However, I'm very hungry. Today, we have 2 new additions to the team. So the first one is the Chanel lip gloss. And the second thing that I bought today, an eyeliner, because I thought that I should have an eyeliner for this video. I think it would be fun. The theme for tonight is going to be like, I'm going to base it around this red epic lip gloss and this black eyeliner. As this is the only palette I have. Oh, I'm so hungry. I think I'm going to go in with this. Because I wanted more like a nude thing to keep it plain. And then I have like a nice red lip and then eyeliner and some mascara and that's it. So since I don't have nude, this is the closest thing I have, which is like a pink and gold mix. I'll be using this for just like this part of my eye, and then for the outside I'll be using more of the gold. I think that will give it like a nice look. But let's see how that goes. So we'll start with this. Just so you know, I did get this new light bulb. I reordered my previous order because it never reached my house and Amazon refunded me. And I got 2 light bulbs and a microphone. So I'm going to try to like go in all the way to my like teardrop area, if that's what you call it. I'm gonna go with this end because it's a clean end. I'll go in with the golden. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I hope you can see it. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I said I was gonna keep the eye simple. Maybe we'll take this brush and blend it out. Damn, this gold is gold. Now for the other eye. See, the thing is, I don't think I have as much light from this side than I do on this side. So it always looks darker here and I feel like I haven't put enough on this side. I'm still learning. Why do people do that thing where they do like a highlight color here? Doesn't make the eyes just pop. Okay, just so you know, the only place I'm going to right now after this is the shop across my house. And the only thing they'll be able to see is my eyes, so I better nail this. Let's bring it down just a little bit. I feel like when people have eyeshadow and they bring it down just the slightest bit, it looks cute. It's like, now, I don't know if I'm supposed to put mascara first or the eyeliner. I'll put eyeliner first because I feel like it's more likely to mess up than mascara. Oh God, I'm so scared. That is not stress eating. Mm-mm. How do people do this? Ah! No! 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 I didn't want to go that way. I wanted to go that way. It's okay. I am just learning. Okay, you know that thing when you do, like when you put eyeliner and you mess it up and you're like, oh, I'll just fix it by doing another line and another line and another line, and then it becomes too thick. Yeah, I think I just did that. I cannot. Why the hell are they different? Oh no. You know what? You live, you learn. Oh my gosh. This one is like going up and this is going sideways. Guys, I tried. I'm so hungry, my hands are shaking. I blame it on that. So because my mascara wand sucks, I use the other one, which the mascara has all dried up already. It's because this has a very nice brush. This one is all sticky and meh. Maybe I'll do this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I need to buy mascara. I need to buy like good quality mascara. All this old dried stuff I have. Okay, so I don't know if I'm overreacting here, but my eyelashes are clearly so long that they touch my eyebrows. Do you see that? Or maybe it's just because I open my eyes like this. And then you can't see any of the eyeshadow, and you can't see anything, you know? You just can't see anything. And what's the point of me putting makeup if you can't see the eyeshadow? But it's okay, because now everyone will look at my eyelashes rather than eyeliner. I mean, will they look at my eyelashes rather than the eyeliner? No one is gonna come up to me in the streets and be like, oh, Maria, or whoever you are, a stranger, I don't think your eyeliner is done correctly. And I'll be like, yeah, it isn't. Are you gonna teach me how to do it? Like, do you close your eyes and do it? How do you even see where? How do you even see where to put the eyeliner? It's so chunky. All that's missing is me doing my eyebrows, but I don't know how to do my eyebrows, and I swear I don't want to do 2 fails in one night. You know, I'm gonna be fancy, and I'm gonna use some of the gold for my but I'm gonna look like a clown. Let's do highlight. We'll do highlight with the gold. I look like a clown. This is why I never even began to learn how to put makeup, but I really like putting makeup on others. Like, I would put makeup in school, my friends, I'll be like, come, sit down, I'll put makeup on you. And yeah. Because one of my friends had this huge box with like maybe 100 different shades of eyeshadows, and that was enough. So we would do like eyes like peacock, and then parrot, and then rainbow, and yeah. But now we're trying to be sophisticated, so we use Chanel. Did you hear that pop? Okay. Okay, what's this nose thing? This looks so nice. Only if I had my eyebrows done. You want some? Here you go. Blueberries for you, and for you, and for you. I quite like this actually. I like the final result. My cheeks look so fat. I guess we have to learn how to contour as well someday. Sophisticated. I am sophisticated. Well, just let me know if you liked it, you know? You can always comment below if you like this. Please excuse my eating because I am really hungry right now. Okay, anyway, bye. I'll see you next time. Maybe I'll do my eyebrows next time. Who knows? Maybe you want to see that next time. Who knows? Maybe you want to subscribe. Who knows? Please do. Okay, I will see you next time. Yeah, just appreciate my makeup on last time before I go. Yeah, it's very sexy. Okay, bye. I love you too, I love you too. I know, I love you too. I love you too. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.